3 years ago, these lovely ladies and my sister Sena did a drama that really stood out to me, and I think that times have changed from, well, what they did was they were trying to introduce our parents or their parents to social media, to Facebook or Bookface as they call it. And now I think that our parents are the ones that are more addicted to their social media accounts than the children are. I hope you guys enjoy the show.
See, harata tu.
Oh.
Hijolle mana kana bayi no akisa jiru betamo.
Miti.
Mali Facebook hi majera
Stop snappy.
Garo hundu ma isagati na nilala.
Man silki sani hakka sani mbo.
No akisa ni ugasi ni jira ano mara ka gorum beku.
Ano?
Why? Malang gora?
Ay. Lali, Facebook ki karo. No. Account kisi ko jatan ram. Number 1. Malo. Laki barbad. Malo. Si barbad sa. Connective. Eka watching connective ho. Marga watching biya thi dugachu kare. No, malo. Okay, Shimani. Okay, password di ho ja. Like password di number. Ilalim password. Okay, ilalim. Third. Bitte? Okay, amma accounting ke. Accounting mo mine. Accounting like Facebook account. Man make a hojja da kara book face kana man nagade na lakin barba. Man mujan book face na rakip se.
Ay, sheni
Minan marga wajin ha softa na.
Ina game she wa.
Ay,
wa ba yi. Ay, orang wajib abi kori bayi. Oh, indene. Almost connected jete mani da connecting kori. Hai, omla tawai mara bashi. Bayas. Mucho tinkoni man. Lakin gore marga ilale mo.
Meme. Koi.
Mari.
Hey.
Lakin gore mo.
Like tu kya?
No comment. Ai, tu kotu. No comment na gori me. Kotu. Mucho tinko baye bare da je ite comment na gori.
What? You guys are still in bed? It's 1 p.m.
Mucho tinko.
Get off the phone.
Kotu bare da je ite comment.
Mucha marga? No. Akane ti angore? Me comment na
gori. Ma itu kini bayi. Asli. Okay, go.
Okay, kuno.
Okay. Gana very gasi.
Gosh sabona Oromo je isa. How you spell gosh sabona Oromo?
Akan carne ilali me akama kabari. Intala arsi.
Ay. Intala wallag kana wani shin hasab tibekta.
Ma jiteni shena.
Ana tu bereda. Dure.
Kotu me.
Book fair live
Live gati nu basi me.
Ila.
Mali.
Berede? Nice? Look nice? Okay.
Ikuni mujang puni oma beku gasni jera bayi dubana. Afansa manggagasa idura uga. Bayi. Dubar me.
What up there? You look nice? Good. Ila. Mom baked. Shallu much itai. Anu tiafan imbani isi.
Mali makansa inyu jedani ano imbe gugawo bayi dubbata. Ugansi ni jera homa bektu.
Mom baked.
Alisti afan ke imbani. Mali afan ke qabat uti tayachi.
Tai.
Hello, ate, akamat naga. Isheni mucha mal fakati isheni mata gudda qabdu. Isheni Facebook irra taate akkam odeessiti ishee fokkistu. Ani Facebook irraan galee Facebook live jedhu miti achi live ta'a. Eeyyee mucaa kun bilbilee mucaa ko dhufe isatu naa banee akkas Facebook irraa galee bakka odeessaa kan maal isaanii odeessaa jiru miti kun caljeetti achi baatee homaayyuu beektu fokkiistu ish nan godha ara ish ara ish galatoon ish guddadhu ish
Natural.
Ay, technology jedhani. Faisa, mucha, come Faisa. Show me Facebook. Come here. Okay. Mucha gari na kenne. Facebook live. Facebook live. Okay. How are you, my Facebook friends? Family back home, akkam jirtu ijoollee wallaggaa akkam jirtu baay'een sin yaade har'a waa tokko waa'ee sirriitti kan ta'e sirriitti topic kan ta'e odeessuufan jira ingiliffaatti odeessaa maaliif sitti fakkaate gwaaddeenya Ameerikaa baay'een qaba insaan ingiliffaa malee hin odeessani Kanafu ingiliffaattiin odeessa. How are you, my friends? Okay. So I'm here because of this ugly RC girl on Facebook. She talks too much. It's too much for me.
Bro, you just interrupted my jam. What's up? Oh yeah, you saw that? Yeah, my aunt, not only my aunt, my parents, everybody. Like, why would they say anything like that? I know. Yeah, the Walaga, the RC, like, I thought Oromo was just Oromo. I thought Oromo was one. I know, they're so quick to talk about Bilisumma, but I know. Yeah. If we want freedom for all Oromos, not just Walaga, not just RC, not just Harar, right? We need to stand together. This is, more than ever. We have the traction, we have the platform, we have all of the above, and they're using it to spread hatred? That's crazy. That's just so crazy to me. Yeah. Well, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So I hope you all got something from that message. We need to be united, and I know that's so easy to say, so I want to start with myself and then hopefully it'll impact those around me. But I really do not like the division I'm seeing amongst my Oromo brothers and sisters. We are here for a greater purpose. We have a good platform, and we are very privileged to be here in the diaspora. So I really hope that you guys see what we were trying to say in this message and take it into consideration when you guys go on.
So we can't just sit and just hope solution will appear. We all have to come together, work together, and can't just sit back and just hope solution will just appear out of nowhere. We have to work together. We have to teach our children what's going on back home and how they can impact the community.
Hope you guys learned a lot from this drama/skit. I hope you guys can go home, take it with you guys, and try to see how you guys can change social media for the better and use it for positivity. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.